Hey guys and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from stake to FamPay. So step 1 is withdrawing from stake to Indian bank account. So log into your stake account, go to the wallet option at the left of the toolbar and choose withdraw. Select INR as the withdrawal currency. Enter your Indian bank account details like IFSC account number or name. Then complete any required KYC. Submit the withdrawal. Funds typically arrive in 1 to 3 business days. Now, open your UPI app linked to your FamPay ID, choose Add Money or UPI Collect, then send money using UPI to your FamPay linked bank. Enter the amount you withdraw from stake and authorize the UPI transaction. Funds will appear in your FamPay wallet instantly or within minutes, depending on the bank. And stake lets you withdraw INR straight to your bank after KYC. And FamPay supports UPI top-ups, allowing transfers from your bank account via UPI. So, in conclusion, you cannot transfer directly from stake to FamPay. Instead, withdraw the INR from stake to your bank account, then use UPI to add the funds into FamPay. If UPI fails via FamPay, use any UPI app like Google Pay, PhonePay, Paytm, etc. linked to the same bank account. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.